Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. Today's video is a Wednesday, so we're going to be looking at the tools that I use with my affiliate marketing journey. Guys, I am somebody who has a full-time job, who loves doing affiliate marketing, and I'm here to share with you guys on this channel the skill sets that are related to not only affiliate marketing, but to help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. Now, that might be in the future other skill sets as well, but today we're specifically going to be talking about Canva and the paid account, so Canva Pro, whether it's worth it or not for you. And lastly, just before I get into more details related to Canva, this is not going to be a typical Canva review or Canva Pro review, because I'm taking into perspective how I specifically use Canva in my affiliate marketing journey. Now, definitely it can be used better. Definitely it can be used in a different way as well. But I want to at least go through the options available for you to see whether is a pro account worth that 12 euros a month or not. Okay, so that's what I want you guys to understand, and which we will get into the details of it. So welcome to the channel. As I've said before, my name is David Pinto. We're going to get into Canva, but I want to share with you a little bit about why and how I use Canva. So affiliate marketing, guys, if you don't know, is sharing other people's products and services, things that I don't own, but I recommend, and I get a commission for doing that. And in order for me to attract attention, make sure that I am standing out of the crowd, I use Canva in different elements of my journey as an affiliate marketer. I use it for videos. I use it for animation of even my YouTube videos. Sometimes the animations that you see, not recently, I've not been doing this, but in the past I have had different segments, and maybe in the future I will, to improve your entire YouTube promotions and marketing as a whole. You can use Canva as well. So those are elements that can be done absolutely for free. Okay, so there is no need to buy or get into Canva Pro unless you really need it. We're going to be talking about that today. But as I said, I use it for my videos. I use it for my images. I use it for multiple elements of my business. I've been using it for years now. And one of the best features, the coolest features, I would say, that Canva has come out in the last 3-4 years and has been improving and taking a lot of milestones ahead, is related to their AI. Now, obviously, it's not the best AI generation Canva tool Canva is not the best one that exists, but it can save you a lot of time and effort because you have everything in one place. Okay, so this is one thing that I would really want to pay attention to, because it has helped me in my affiliate marketing journey, because I use it for multiple elements, specifically for my blog, and I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But also Pinterest. If you just take into consideration one affiliate marketing strategy, I'm going to just talk about one affiliate marketing strategy. One affiliate marketing strategy is using a social media platform called Pinterest. When you're using a social media platform like Pinterest, the quality of posts and the quantity of posts have an equal, what's the word I'm looking for, power, let's say, in the algorithm to boost your organic traffic and organic people to view, because the people that do go to Canva are interested in actually going to your website and looking at the blog post a little bit more. So if everything aligns in the right way, it can generate a large amount of traffic for you organically, and people who are highly targeted and highly interested. Why? Because they're getting interested by an image, and then from that image they're reading an article. They've already had 2 touch points where they're getting to know you. They're getting to have that, build that trust with you. And then they can get onto your email list, buy a product or service over there. And you can even boost, if you know that one specific pin, everything is converting, you can boost that pin up with adding a little bit of fuel to the fire, which is adding a little bit of paid advertising on Pinterest itself to boost that pin up a little bit more, and that gains your organic traffic a little bit more, and so on and so forth. Like there's a domino effect, right? So just using this strategy, having a platform like Canva can really make a huge difference. Now I'm still in a phase. I'm using Pinterest as well, and I'm using Canva as well. I'm still in a phase of understanding what is the best method of operation for me personally when it comes to Canva and Pinterest. Okay, that's personally what I'm doing. I'm still doing my research and stuff like that, so I don't want to get into it. But what I do want to say is that there are multiple elements. So this is one of the strategies. You could use Canva for your Facebook. You can use Canva for your websites. You have a coding option available in Canva, which you can then utilize and add it to your graphics on your website. So there are multiple purposes out there, whether it's a small business that you have. You can even create templates on Canva and share that as digital products to other people and get paid for it. So even if you get a paid account on Canva, you're actually becoming an affiliate. So there's a difference between having it as an affiliate marketer and having it as a digital product owner. Okay, these are the two things that I just want to say so that you guys understand that there is a difference actually in it. So that's how I personally use Canva. I use it for my thumbnails. I use it for YouTube, basically, specifically for YouTube, graphics for Facebook, and now I've started to use it for my blog. So these are the three main places that I'm personally using it, all related to building and getting more attention, making sure I have professional templates available, but also improving the conversion rates. So these are all help with improving my conversion rates, because at the end of the day, you do want sales and to get those commissions. Let's get into the pricing of Canva so that you guys can see the different options available. Okay, so Canva, first and foremost, guys, does have a free account. Then they do have also a yearly account and a monthly account. Now, yearly account obviously will save some money, about 16% if you go on the yearly accounts. It's really up to you if you want to do that. I'll just say it this way very frankly. Do you need Canva Teams? Well, if you're not an extra professional graphic designer, I don't think that you would need Canva Teams or Canva Enterprise at all. I think just having a Canva Pro would be the best available option for you if you want to go paid. Otherwise, you can just stay for free, which is what I did for years. Okay, which is really what I did for years. Now, being said, I do have a link to Canva below. I don't know if it's an affiliate link, to be honest. I don't know if I'm an affiliate to Canva at all, but I have a link, so I shared that link below. If you do want to join Canva, you can join Canva, or you can go and ahead. This is just a video that I wanted to put out there to teach you guys how I'm using this tool. And yes, I am personally a pro account member. So I wonder if you're doing your due diligence to understand whether it's for you or not, specifically related to affiliate marketing, then great. I hope this helps you. Okay. So having a free membership is very much possible. The thing that you're limited with is the cold storage, obviously, and then you have some limitations available. But I went for the pro plan for a couple of reasons. One, because there were a lot of templates that I wanted to use, that I would need the pro plan to use those templates, but I couldn't use them if I didn't have the templates. Then I can create brand kits. This is something that I'm looking forward to looking at. Then I can create unlimited amount of photos, graphics, audios, different things available. And then the biggest advantage at the moment is this boost of this pro feature of AI tools, which you have 25 AI tools, including clips powered by VO3, which is something that I have yet to use, but I will be using that a lot, I think so, in the future. Okay, and then you have 1 TB of cold storage. This is just what's available to you. Obviously, you can manage it accordingly, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's what the pro plan is. It costs $110 for one person for a year. On the monthly, it would actually be less. It would be about, I think, $11, but otherwise it costs you $12 a month to get started. Okay, so it's really up to you. I personally went for the pro plan, and just to show you guys how it is, and the biggest advantage is really this Canva AI that exists over here. So when you do get started with pro, you'll have everything blank. By the way, I have a lot of pins over here because I've been trying to figure out the strategy that I have. So I've been using just the AI to create the pins. I don't know if this is the best approach, to be frank. I really don't know if this is the best approach, but I've been using it to just generate. It's simple, right? It's a little bit messy if you do it this way, but it's simple because you come here, you just, grab your idea, write what you have over here. If you want Canva to design for you, it'll design for you. If you want Canva create an image for you, it'll create an image for you. If you wanted to code, it'll code. If you wanted to create a video clip, look at this, okay? This is something that you can also get pretty easily with Canva itself. Lighting, framing, aspect, style. Wow, this is quite cool. Actually, I haven't seen this, that they have this video clip. So there's a lot that can be done with Canva when it comes to your design itself. If you want ideas, the fact that Canva has AI inbuilt in everything makes your life a lot easier. Let's say you're on a template, just to give an example. Okay, let's say you go on a template and you need the Canva AI to help you out with the text of the template. Okay, and I'm just going to give this as an example. You can literally click over here and you can get AI or have a magic write, and then get some interesting ideas from that write, and then magic write, which is the AI tool basically, and you can use it to then improve those templates. Now I have some standard templates here. I am trying to change and improve and all the time these templates, and it's going to go in that direction, I think. For now, some of them I like, some of them I really don't like, but I'm figuring out I'm figuring out what's best for me, and you guys can see, you can always have it on this page and then improve it accordingly, right? So there are different elements that you can use, how to change it, and like I said, one of the reasons why I personally got it is for the templates factor. So the templates factor is right here. If you go to YouTube, let me go back actually. Go to design, go to YouTube, you can see that they have multiple templates that are available, and then based on that you can have that as your main one and then change it up accordingly, right? So this is something that I would definitely, this is a template that I would definitely look at. So I want to go through and check it and change my entire layout for my templates on YouTube, and I will be doing that. But for now, just to show you, as a pro member you get access to all of these. Okay, really, these which would take you otherwise a long time to build, you're getting access to it for free. And all you might need to do is just change like an image or stuff like that, which is pretty easy to do, right? It's pretty easy. So drag and drop software available for templates. Remember I said templates because each of these templates cost you about $1 or $2 or $3. So let's say I make 12, give you an example, right? I make 12 videos a month. I make 3 videos a week, 12 videos a month. Those 12 videos a month, I would be spending at least, I'm going to give it an average of around $2 per template. So let's say I have 12 templates, or even if I have just 4 templates, okay, I would spend $8 or €8 just like that, just for those templates. Then additionally, if I had to create from the AI a couple of things, I would spend an additional 4 or 5. So those 12 I would any which ways be spending every single month, and could be pretty costly in the long term. So I'd rather spend €12 and have this unlimited and then use it as much as I want to be able to grow and build and everything else. And this is what I'm doing actually. So that is one thing to pay attention to. The other one is right here. So I would love to in the future have brand colors, brand logos, everything done. I'm not using this brand template, but this is a feature that I really want to use specifically for my websites, for my charts, and just to make my videos a lot easier in the future. This is what I would be using. Then the tools that are available here are pretty cool as well. And then you have projects. We'll build some projects in the future specifically. And then you have all the apps that are available. This is something that is pretty darn awesome in my opinion, because these applications, some of them are free, some of them are paid, obviously. But yeah, you can have some of the popular ones, which I see. For example, this one right here, which is image upscaler, is included in the pro plan. Then you'll see others which are included, others which are not, right? Background eraser, tracer, pixify, shape. This one is also a premium one, which is, let me see what this is. I don't know. Typograph, type gradient. Yes. Then these are other ones that are available. Then you have this option also, Typecraft, which is also part of the pro plan, and then so on and so forth, right? So you have different popular ones that are part AI, and these are literally related to AI apps that are specifically, I believe, for either text, image, media, different options available are available within the pro plan. You can see. Okay, obviously if you want to use a specific other tool that's available here, it's also like a marketplace, so you can get that tool yourself, but it's not needed. It's honestly not needed. Magic Media is quite cool as well, because let's say if you want to generate a specific image, a style, and so on and so forth, literally say 5 words, describe your image, and it literally it creates the image, creates a graphic if you want a specific graphic. And I think you have around, as you can see right here, on use of 1 of 500 credits, refreshes next month, right? So every month you get 500 credits to use this, and you can even create videos this way. Okay, this is experimental technology. I don't know, let's say Inspire, just to show you guys. Okay, and I literally click to generate a video, and now it's creating a video. I have no idea what I just created, but I just wanted to show you how it works. And so these are different. If you think about Canva as your hub to anything graphic, anything anything creative aspects you can create on Canva. So for example, I took HTML images that I wanted to create different dynamic tools and setup. I took the links after creating that dynamic setup, which is basically like a GIF or like an image that is a little more dynamic. I would embed it on my website. I've done that in the past, but mainly I want to show you guys, just after I show you the features and everything else with Canva Pro, I want to maybe show you guys what I've been using it for the last couple of months mainly. Okay, so this is a video that you can see was created purely by, so I'm just going to show you how it looks, because I think it's pretty cool to see how it looks. That way you get an idea. This is the video. I literally said inspire me, and this is what it created. So you can do so much with Canva by just applying some of the ideas that you have in your head. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home page and just show you guys what I've been using Canva the most for the last couple of months. I've been using the AI feature, which has been a real lifesaver for me when it comes to my design. So if I go to my Pinterest account, okay guys, I'm here on my Pinterest account, and literally every single image that you see right here, every single GIF that you see right here, video that you see right here, that has been getting me views, has been getting me impressions, that means getting me attention. I'm getting at the moment, this is a very new account, I've been getting at the moment around 342 monthly visitors to this page. Okay, and this is just the beginning, but I used purely purely Canva to create this. All of this was created by Canva. I just generated ideas, I just generated information, and I said, okay, this is the kind of, I obviously used AI, right? So I said, this is the kind of image that I want. I need a prompt specifically for this image that I want. And let's start to go out and create these images on Canva. And all of these images, from realistic images to, quite cool text images that are available, other informative video images that are there, GIFs that are there. This process, I love this image, for example, has all been generated through Canva. Okay, so you really can get good quality stuff done with Canva Pro specifically. So that's what personally I'm using it for. For me, the amount of, look at this, the amount of changes I've made with them. I didn't like some of them, so I made changes with it. I asked it for more information and so on and so forth. We edited, we shifted, and we changed all the time, which was quite cool. But you get a lot of bulk work done within a short amount of time, because of how Canva is and how easy it is to make these changes and build these different elements to it. However, whatever your niche is, I think it's one of the tools that right now are pretty much in every single business, every single solo entrepreneur that's out there, person who's dealing with some kind of graphics in their business. Canva is really a go-to tool. That being said, I hope this video helped. I personally use it for Pinterest, my blog, and my YouTube thumbnails. This is what I'm using it for. I believe for the use cases that I have, the Pro account makes more sense. That's it. It's made my life easier, and it saved me a lot of time. In my affiliate marketing journey, the one thing that I keep telling everybody is that if you find a way to save time on actions that are repeatable, then your life becomes easier. And this is what it has done for me. I told you guys in the beginning of this video, the Pinterest strategy is not the best one that I have. So I'm still getting and figuring out my method of operation, but it is a tool that saves me a lot of time. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys did like it, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification. If you want to work with me in any way related to affiliate marketing, links are in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.